Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. I'm very excited to announce that registration is now open for my first ever Easter Craft Countdown event. Every year I run Halloween and Christmas countdowns where I share 20 holiday themed Cricut craft projects in 20 days. But up until now I've never run one for Easter, so here goes something new. The Easter Craft Countdown will run for 10 days in total, starting on Saturday the 4th of March. Every day for 10 days, I'll share a brand new free Cricut papercraft project with an Easter theme. It will be a mix of religious designs and more contemporary designs. And yes, there are definitely one or two Easter bunnies hiding in there. Each day's project will come with at least one SVG cut file, a materials list, full written tutorial, and a step-by-step video. The projects are kept secret until their release dates, but you can see some previews on the screen here. Get your free ticket at craftwithsarah.com/Easter. Registering a free ticket means that each day from the 4th to the 13th of March, you'll receive an email with links to download that day's cut file. Now, as I said, the tickets are absolutely free. You don't have to pay for the Easter Craft Countdown. However, with the free tickets, each SVG download is only available for 24 hours after it goes live. After that time runs out, you won't be able to download it for free anymore. If you'd prefer instant and lifetime access to all the files, so you can download them whenever you want, make sure you read the website page you get shown after registering your free ticket. This gives you all the info you need on how to get not only all the files from the Easter Craft Countdown, but also a whole ton of additional brand new Easter papercraft projects. That's right, it's time for my first mega bundle of the year. And of course, it had to be Easter themed. After signing up for your free ticket, you'll be given the option to purchase my Easter Mega Bundle at a very special introductory price. Not only does this give you instant access to all the Easter Craft Countdown cut files, worth $65, but you'll also get 10 additional layered SVGs, as shown on the screen now, 4 shadow box designs, 10 layered Easter greetings cards, and 10 adorable little chocolate egg holders. That's $235 worth of premium, fully tested, original Easter-themed cut files for only $47. But hurry, that special limited time price is only available until the countdown starts on the 4th of March. After that, the price rises to $67. Whether you decide to purchase the Easter Mega Bundle or not, I strongly recommend going ahead and grabbing your free ticket to the countdown at craftwithsarah.com/Easter, as you can get that Mega Bundle at any time before or during the countdown. But bear in mind that $47 price is only available until March the 4th. So, don't delay, go to craftwithsarah.com/Easter right now to get your free ticket. If you've got any questions about the countdown, leave me a comment or send an email to sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Don't forget, one new papercraft Easter project will be released every day from the 4th to the 13th of March. I hope to see you there, and thank you for watching. Bye!